welcome back to RC Workshop. Guys, check it out. Huge shout out to the guys at GT Power for sending us this. This is the sound and light kit. Absolutely incredible, guys. 50 sounds on there, loads of light combinations. As well as that, this thing is completely controllable from your mobile phone as well for programming wise. So if you've got terminals wrong and things like that, you can program them into the software that it comes with to change it round, which is going to be nice and easy setup. So what I'm going to do today is install this into the new Tamiya CC02, the Mercedes G-Wagon as well. We just got to cut a few lights in the light bucket and things like that, and on the rear, get this light kit installed, get the sound kit installed, and show you what it looks and sounds like. I think this is going to be an absolute fantastic alternative to the rather expensive Tamiya kit that I've had before as well in previous videos. Let's get to it. Let's get this thing installed. Oh yeah. So just before we install this in the car, I just want to show you a quick unboxing of what you get. So nice little kit package. Like I say, it contains a soundboard in there. It contains the speaker, which is a 10-watt speaker, and the full LED kit. I think there's indicators, brakes, and headlights in there. 58 different sounds to choose from, guys, and as well you can adjust these sounds as well within the app and download more and updates. There's also simulations as well that you can make the lights go through, so you can make it so when you turn the steering wheel, the indicates left or indicates right. When you brake, it brakes and the brake lights come on brighter. Like I say, on the back is just specification. This does work directly off of your receiver as well, so there's no need for additional batteries for it either. There's the product list of what you get inside, but we just want to see in there, don't we? So this is the motherboard. This is the main board that everything will plug into on the car. Everything else inside, there is going to be a lot of wires on this car, guys, but it's going to look and sound fantastic. This is the speaker as well. It's got a nice little weight to it. So for those that want to know, the speaker length is actually 80mm, so 8 centimeters by 57 millimeters, which is 5.7 centimeters by 3 centimeters deep. Really nice speaker, not too heavy, but it's got a nice weight to it. There's gonna be a really nice sound from that, guys. I just know it. In the rest of the box, then you have got a nice wireless harness. This is gonna be what is in between your servos and your speed control and this box, so it picks up what you're doing from the speed control and the receiver, sorry. And then your full LED light kit. This is going to be fun. Wish me luck. As well as that, to power this thing, Dean's connector, guys. Really nice. So your normal battery connector will go in through there and out through there into your battery. And then the power from this will obviously power out the soundboard and the speaker and lights and so on. I'm going to get this in the car. I ain't going to show you too much about it. I'm going to show you once it's in the car what it looked like, I'm not really going to show you all the install and all the little wiring. Let's get to it. Let's get this thing in the Mercedes. Right then, guys, so all the kit is wired in. The body shell is on. Believe it or not, there is LEDs behind there because I'm lucky enough to have the light buckets on this one. Had to modify it to get the indicators in there a little bit. And you'll see as well there, we've managed to get the indicator at the top of these. I would like to sit inside, but again, due to the Tamiya model, that's thick white plastic, so I just have to drill a little hole and make that protrude out of there. So let's have a look at this thing. Let's turn the switch on, like so, and everything will come on. So you've got front lights on there, you've got your indicators, and your rear lights. So when you turn right on the remote, your right indicator will work with sound, left the same, and then on the front of the truck as well. Oh yeah. So should we start her up for the first time? It is loud. You ready? Wow, it sounds even better with the shell on. Give it a bit of throttle. Also, guys, check this out. Wow, we got a horn on the third channel. Wow. How cool's that? Let's get this thing everything on the floor and give it a run around. I'm having to shout, it's that loud. Beep beep. Rightio then, let's see what this looks like in action as well. Indicators. Oh yeah, let's beep the horn and start the engine. That is really, really cool, guys. Wow! I mean, I must admit that is a lot of fun with sound coming from it. Rightio then, guys, so what you can do is download the app, then you'll need to connect to the truck via Bluetooth, then you need to synchronize so it knows where the throttle responses and that are on the remote, and then you can start going through the sounds. So for example, you choose this sound, audition, and you can hear what sound it is before you install it. The Ferrari, obviously not on a Mercedes, unless you want to. Crawler D. Various sounds, like I say. Then what you do is once you pick that, if you like that one, select it and it'll upload automatically to the car. So as you'll hear this time, a totally different sound on there. Let's turn that on. It's gone really dark, sorry about that. And then we press the throttle to start the engine and it should have a longer start. And a much more gruntier sound, guys, I like that. And now it's set up as well, as you gently throttle, it will apply throttle, whereas before it was all or nothing. Not sure whether I do like that one with it just about ticking over, but I do like the start. It's a really nice start on there. And that horn, absolutely brilliant, guys. Let's turn that off a second, show you a bit more about the app. So on the app, you've got your home, which is obviously the sounds. Then you've got light and sound settings, so how long you want the engine to run for before it turns off. The throttle response for it. You can put gear shift effects on there as well, depending what speed control you got. The brake sound effects as well, so brake screeching. And then you got your main settings as well. So you obviously battery, LiPo. We are on 3 cell at the moment, so I better put that on there just so it knows. Default settings, everything else, email and web. But guys, this is absolutely fantastic. I'm really, really happy with it. So there you have it, guys. The GT Power light and sound kit all fully installed onto the G-Wagon. Guys, really happy with it. Nice and easy install, to be honest. And that sound, let's start that engine up one more time for you. I just like the horn. I can do that all day long. And the throttle obviously as well. Indicators. It does add a slight realism to the truck, I'm not going to lie, and I'm going to have to shout over this thing now. What I'll do is, guys, at the end of this video, I'll turn the lights off in the studio and run it round in the dark for you, just to show you how bright these lights really are. Anyway, guys, if you like the video, please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. We need to find out how to turn it down. Woo! There we go then, guys. All nice and lit up. Indicators really, really bright in the dark. Then front lights as well are blinding bright. Start that engine up. Let's have a look at the back. Wow. That is awesome. And look how bright them lights are. Very, very impressed. GT Power, guys, link in the description. Go get some.